The never-ending hunt for a bike. I'm flipping between getting a brand new bike for 7,200 or a 18-year-old bike for $4,000. The thing is, one is one I really want, the other one is just practical. It's just paying $4,000 on a bike. It's a 3-hour trip just to go and view the thing because I'm in the sticks, and it's no guarantee because it's private. Anyhow, this is what you call a good example of a web page that is shit. First of all, you've got your constant chat which keeps popping up, and they're all identical. Whatever website you go to, bike site you go to, they're all the same automated process, and none of them will actually respond to you. It's all just a computer program. So what they do is they just keep getting your details and scamming your details. That is it. And you will get spammed on your email account and possibly dodgy phone calls. I've sent messages to 30 separate bike shops online. Not one has responded. And the only time I got a response, an actual person, was when they didn't want to tell me anything in writing. And that was this, I think they're called CMC. And they got like a franchise, they got branches, mainly in the Midlands and one in South Wales. Now, I asked specific questions, and 2 of them they would not answer in writing via email. One was, is the bike restricted? And the other was delivery. And this is because they know it's a deal breaker if they put down in writing the bike's not restricted when it actually is, because you can sue them. And if they put down, yeah, we can deliver it next week in writing, you can sue them if you've got to take time off work to wait in for it and it doesn't turn up. Which is why he rang me and said, yeah, it's not restricted, yeah, we can deliver next week, which to my mind means he's talking shit. Otherwise, he would have stuck it in the email. He wouldn't have bothered just ringing me up. I mean, these people are cheap bastards. Anyhow, this website, riderauto.co.uk. Now, I did a search for a second-hand Honda CBR. This came up, clicked on the link, and I shit you not, I zoomed in and zoomed out, and it is exactly the same, right? You scroll down, yay, there's the bike. Yeah, you can look at pictures. However, there's no details about the bike. Part exchange, book a test ride, reserve a bike, send an inquiry, similar bikes, add to favourites, view favourites, finance. The details are only about the company, not the actual bike. And all they want to do is get your details so they can put you in debt. At no point do they actually give you any details about the bike. Well, that's all they're doing, is just trying to take your information and all your personal details and get you to sign up to a loan agreement where you'll end up paying, several £1,000s extra. But they won't actually give you the details about the bike, because that details is just the company details. About how's a family-run business? Yeah, like fuck. So another scam so-called biker site, riderauto.co.uk. Yeah. And they don't actually give you any information about the bike. All the information they give you is how much it's going to cost you when they put you in debt. They don't have an option to actually buy the bike. There's no option to buy it. The only options they have here is buying it on HP. I've never had a debt in my life. I've never bought an HP in my life. I'm never going to fucking do it. If I'm buying something to ride, I'm going to fucking ride it. And I'm going to own it. But there's no way to get any information about the bike other than taking down the license plate and seeing its MOT history. So, yeah, complete waste of fucking time.